Welcome to DogeStation. Permit me to talk about this platform once again because there are a lot of crypto platforms that don't often do what they promise the users, but this platform right here has been delivering back to back, and I can tell you for free that in the last few days I've withdrawn almost every day from here and it's still paying, right? So I feel like that's some awesome lot, and if I'm hiding this from you, I'm doing you a disservice, right? So this right here is how much I've withdrawn from the platform, 138.97 Doge, right? And I haven't made any deposit on this platform. I just got some free boxes. Yes, the boxes are what determines how much you're earning. So this is my daily Doge, 17.627. I have 69 characters, right? So how you get the characters determine how much you will be able to withdraw every day. So if you click on menu here, you click on mystery boxes. So here are the mystery boxes. Most of them are not free. Like this one here is going for 10 Doge, right? I mistakenly purchased that one once. So the free one is here. This is where after doing some task, I'll come back and I'll find free boxes and I claim them. What kind of task? Of course, task like quests. I participated in a total of 4 quests. 1 has been completed so far, and I received 7 boxes from that. The quests are actually very simple. The quest description is here. It's a social media post. You make a social media post and you bring the link here and they review it and they give you the corresponding rewards. You make a forum post, Instagram post, and all of this. So the one I've been approved for so far is the YouTube video review, and I received 5 basic boxes and 2 epic boxes from that single task, right? So guys, this platform here is still working and I'll be the first to notify you when it stops working. Yes, I usually do that for all the platform I introduce to you guys. So without any further ado, let me withdraw my dose of Doge for the day. So from the menu, you click on withdraw here. So minimum withdrawal threshold is 10 Doge and there is a fee of 1.5. So you get your Doge address, you input it here, you enter the amount, and you click on submit withdrawal request. Confirm it, and all right, so the processing time depends on your package that I have already mentioned in the earlier video. So withdrawal request submitted successfully. So due to my package, I may not receive it immediately, but all the withdrawals I have requested, I have received all of them. This is the one for yesterday, the one for day before. You can see all of them subsequently got processed and completed. So this is the processing time based on your VIP level. So I'm currently on VIP standard. I have up to 12 hours. It doesn't normally get to 12 hours, but it's not instant. So for VIP silver, 8 hours at most, VIP gold 2 hours, and platinum 10 minutes. So if you want faster processing time, you know what to do. And yes, some of those mystery boxes, you can actually buy them to increase your daily earning, right? So there is the basic box going for 10 Doge, there's premium for 90 Doge. You can also check how much you'll be getting for owning those boxes. There is the legendary box, 500 Doge. The percentage is stated there. And then there's the free boxes. This is the one you get from completing tasks, from inviting people, and so on. There's premium box. These are also under free boxes. So these are my recent openings, as you can see, right? All right guys, so like I said, the platform is still paying, and as soon as I notice that they delay, or they don't pay for like 24 hours, I will be the first to blow the whistle that, hey, something is wrong, so you guys be cautious. So the ways to increase your earnings is through buying of mystery boxes. Even though I've done a couple of videos in the past, I feel like it's still paying, so there is no harm if I still talk to you guys about it, because some people will probably not take it serious because they think maybe after the first day they will not be able to withdraw again, but nah, that has not been the case. So here's my Gates account. You can see here my withdrawal history. This is the one for yesterday, was credited. Look at the time and stuff. So if you go through the history, I received another one here. For the other day, I received another one here. So this is just my history. I received 23 Doge the other day, and so on and so forth. I received 15 Doge on this day. I received 16 on this day, right? So these are my different withdrawals from the platform. I just want to show you, even though I haven't received this particular one that I just requested, I want to show you in the history that yes, I have actually been receiving payment from that platform, right? So there you have it, guys. It's not financial advice, I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research. And let me remind you that all of these earnings, I haven't deposited any money on the platform. Yes, I mistakenly purchased one of the packages using 10 Doge because I claimed my daily earning, and then I mistakenly clicked on the buy, so 10 Doge was taken from my balance, which I also earn from the same platform, right? So I haven't invested anything on the platform myself, and I've been able to withdraw a total of 138.973 Doge profit. Right? So that's what's up. Go try it out and do the best. Explore the different ways which you can maximize your earnings on the platform. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.